By the way, I'm excited. We have a special guest. She is going to come on and share her story with you guys tonight. So excited for you to hear her story. What I want to do real quick is I'm excited, you guys. I want to introduce you to someone, and I really want you to share her story. She followed these strategies inside the program and she hit six figures inside her business. I think she was number 124 six-figure earner. And now we're at 126 six-figure earners inside our community and 25 self-made millionaires in South Africa ran. Kelly, are you with us, my friend?
I am.
And congratulations. I'm so excited
Thank
for
you.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Let me start by saying I'm so nervous because I have a speaking phobia, literally. But I'm also so excited. So I just get that out of the way. I'm nervous. Give me grace if I stumble over my words. But yeah, I'm Kelly. I am a homeschooling mom of 11, and I'm from Alabama. And I had spent a lot of years as a homeschooling mom, living on my husband's one income. He's a home builder. It just got harder and harder to live on one income. And I'm a little different than some of the other people that have shared in that I knew there were ways to make money online. I had tried a whole bunch of them myself, but I just couldn't make it happen for me. I mean, I made a little, but I knew that there was the possibility of making substantial income. And I hustled and read and watched YouTube videos, and I did all the things for all the years and years. And when I found Legacy Builders, and it's interesting what happened, but needless to say, we were not just scraping by anymore. I actually realized we were 3 months behind on our mortgage. My husband got up the nerve to tell me that, and I thought I would just collapse in the floor because I had been worried about Christmas. It was late October, and all I could think about was I've got to figure out a way to make money to be able to buy Christmas for my kids. And then he told me that we had fallen behind on our mortgage, and I just did not know what to do. I didn't know that there was anything left. Thought I had tried everything. I'm the girl that even sold plasma. So I just prayed for an answer. And a girl, I want to make a point about this. I found Legacy Builder almost on accident. And so a girl had reached out to me to ask me a homeschooling question because I am in homeschooling groups and that happened on Facebook. And I just happened to pop over to her page. And I ended up buying from her. I did not know her. I had not built a relationship with her. Not only that, I never got an email from her. So we get emails that nurture our leads. I never even got an email from her, and I still purchased. And so I say that to say what got me off the fence was I know I can make one sale and make my money back. Worst case scenario, I can make a sale on accident because I knew the power of the internet. I knew the power of having a proven product, having a great sales funnel, which is what we got with this. And so that's what got me off the fence. I ended up making my money back very quickly. Not everybody does, but I did. And just having a done for you system that's so valuable. And I don't think people understand the value of this program. And that's the other thing I want to say. I had bought another program that tried to teach digital marketing skills. Honestly, it confused me and overwhelmed me. And it was $2,000, and it didn't even come with products that we could resell. So that's mind blowing to me. And another thing, I just got an ad on my Facebook page yesterday from a local college, and it said, learn digital marketing skills, get certified in digital marketing for $2,500. Again, just the education without a business to go with it. So when you grasp that we get a complete education on some of the most important skills that you could possibly be learning right now, and a business to go with it for less than 1,000 or less than 1,400, that should blow your mind. And so I ended up I hit six figures in about 10 months. And I've now made well over $115,000. And while that is good and I'm happy about it, you need to understand I've got friends making millions. And so when you hear that number and you tend to think that has to be too good to be true or that has to be a scam, you have no idea the potential when you learn digital marketing skills of what's possible. And so to go from scraping by and being so discouraged and so hopeless and to find a business that has now allowed me the financial freedom that I don't have to check my bank account to buy groceries. Unmatched. It's unmatched in value. Don't think, don't overthink it. The little bit of money that you invest is going to reap over and over and over. So thank you so much for letting me share. I hope I didn't leave something I meant to say out, but
Well, I have a question. So you said before you started this, you guys were 3 months behind in your mortgage. So what happened?
we caught it up in just about a month after I started. At least in 2 months, we had caught it completely up and paid for 2 weddings the next year. But like 6 months after we started, we found out two of our girls got engaged. And I was like, thank the Lord for this business. So we paid cash for 2 weddings on top of that.
So I love that you shared that because, and I'm so proud of you, Kelly, that even though where your life was, you still had the courage to figure out what if this is the way out. Because, most people would be stuck in that, like, I mean, we're behind in mortgage. Why would I invest more money? Why would I spend money? And the fact that you did that, and then and a month later, you were able to be caught up. I think that needs to be really recognized, and I'm proud of you for that. That's awesome.
Thank you. And I want to emphasize that, you can stay stuck, or you can say, I'm going to get unstuck and I'm going to learn the skills to change my life. And that's what this business offers. That's what the education offers. So thank you. Thank you for all you do for us to teach us.
Oh. Well, thank you for being here and thank you for sharing and congratulations. And I'm excited that you will be one of the self-made millionaires inside our community.
Yes, 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 yes.
Love it. So you guys, I hope you heard what she said. And I do have to share this with you. We have another gal inside our community and she didn't have the money either to get started. And she sold, I'm sorry, she babysat and cleaned homes to come up with the money. And Victoria now has made $600,000 in 2 years and she's a stay-at-home mom. So, but she found we had another lady sell some stuff on Facebook Marketplace. And that's how she came up with the money. And it's changed her life. And so I'm sharing with you guys, when you want something bad enough, you'll figure out a way. I mean, I think we all pay about $100 a month to hold a cell phone, right? That's $1,200 a year for convenience. And so just look at it that way. I mean, think about if Kelly wouldn't have had the courage to take the chance. Oh my gosh, I love that as well. And yes, there's payment plans. So if you guys, we have payment plans as well. And a lot of people do payment plans, okay? And I love that. So your legacy starts now, my friend. I want you to say yes to peace, to purpose, and to profit. So when you get started today, you are going to get the complete 2-hour workday blueprint, master resale rights, earn 100% profit, done for you system and funnel, weekly community calls and mentorship. We do 3 live calls a week, ongoing training and ongoing support. Again, you're in business for yourself where you're going to make 100% profit, but you're not in business by yourself.